this is how we jive mass communication here again with another video. In this we're gonna show you how you can replace RAM memory to your old computer. You see, I have a RAM stick 8GB of DDR3 version. So I'm gonna inject this RAM. I'm gonna take the old RAM out from this old computer and make it new. In this case, you can update to 16GB, 32GB as you want. The process would be very identical and similar. You have to put in a good place where you can work it out with this one. You have to put good light as well so you can see properly. Everything is ready. In this you see this part. Here you have hard drive and RAM both. So very easy will be take out. And 2 screw. You need a Phillips 4-headed screwdriver. Nothing else. From this side and push. Very easy guys. You see how easy I take it out. So you can see a pair of RAM in this case. 2 RAM together. And here is a hard drive. You see 2 sides, you have to clip to lose it. It will come out. You will take. Here we go. Check the RAM properly which RAM you have. Normally flip. This side is right end. P3 means DDR3, P2 DDR2, P4 DDR4 RAM. Take one out. And here we go another. So I take both the RAM out. There are 2GB of RAM. So now I'm gonna put 8GB. P3 8GB from Samsung RAM. So good. I'm gonna inject this one at the bottom plate as this, because in the future if I want I can add one more 8GB of RAM. So I put one 8GB at the down and one more 8GB of RAM here. So 2 RAM, total amount of 16GB I am injecting inside. That is all guys, very simple. Now I have to cover it up and that's all. Nothing else. Is one of the most easy thing you can do in your computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.